Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by getting your Word content ready and moving fast. Export the text as an image or copy it into a clean document. Once done, open TikTok and tap the plus to create a new clip, then choose Upload if you exported frames. Make sure to set the canvas to 9:16 and enable any grid or guides. They help alignment. You want readable type, so pick a bold font and increase size. Now position the text file or image so the focal words sit in the center. You continue by laying out timing and motion to make the word video dynamic. First, import each text image or use TikTok's text tool for native layers, then split clips so each sentence gets its own duration. Once done, add keyframes or apply built-in effects to create subtle motion, pan, scale, or fade. This increases engagement. Make sure to synchronize these moves with your audio or a beat when words appear on strong beats. Viewers read and stay. Review pacing and tighten. You finish by polishing and checking the final output before posting. Start by adding captions and a short call to action so viewers know what to do next. Then apply a final filter sparingly and balance audio levels so speech or music doesn't overpower the words. Once satisfied, export at the highest quality TikTok accepts and preview playback. If text looks blurry or misaligned, re-render the source text as a larger image or increase font weight. Then re-import. This usually fixes clarity and alignment problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.